Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show to you the way how to get a spelling check, how to get a predictive check for your texting into another languages. So if you are working with other languages and sometimes could be difficult for you to understand or to know about their spelling of the words. So here, let's say the English is not my first language, so sometimes I got difficulties to spell the words whenever I do texting. So let's say here I already got this English keyboard. So okay, let me here I got the English keyboard, and then I want to type finish, but I'm not sure either it's only use the single N or double N. So if you want to get the corrections for your spelling, do this instead. Go back into your home screen, and right after that open the settings part, scrolling down and find the general, and right after that you need to scrolling down again until you find keyboard. Click them, and to get the spelling check as well as the predictive text, make sure that you activate this predictive text and check spelling. Whenever you're done, you just need to go back and let's just say is it works on your keyboard. So you see that's right away have the line that give you predictions as well as the check spelling. So the correct one is single N. Go click them to replace it. So that's the way how to get a spelling check as well as predictive text on your keyboards for your iPhone. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.